everybody. Today we are going to make a frog out of a paper plate. Are you ready? What you need for this craft is a paper plate just like this, 2 circles where you can make little frog eyes, and a little tongue that kind of looks like a J. For the tongue, you can also use a little pipe cleaner. But if you don't have a red or a pink pipe cleaner, you can just make a little J that you color in red or pink. And you need glue. And I would say red and green paint. Glue, green and red paint. There should be, if you do not have paint, you can color it in on the inside red. Okay, all right. I should have given most of you this little 4-pack of paints. Okay, so what I am going to do first, I am going to fold my paper plate in half, just like this. Fold it in half. Then I am going to take a brush. If you do not have a brush, you can just use some saran wrap and wrap your hand in it, like this. Mrs. Booth does not have a brush, so I am going to just wrap my hand in some saran wrap while I do this. I'm going to do the top of it green. Okay. All right. I hope I don't get too dirty. Remember, you can use a brush too. I just don't have a brush on me. To cover the top half of the plate green. Some green might get on the bottom, but that's okay. Frogs are colorful creatures. Do you see that? The top of this is green. Now, I am going to take my eyes and I am going to stick them to the top of the frog, top of the green part. Do you see that? Good. Now I am going to take my red paint, do my little saran wrap trick. If you have a brush, it is much easier to use a brush. I just don't have one at the moment, a paintbrush. So I'm going to take a little bit of red paint. Open up my paint. I don't want to make a huge mess. Take a little bit of red paint. I'm going to open my plate. The top might still be a little wet, so be careful. And I am going to cover the inside of my plate red because we're making the frog inside of the frog's mouth. See that? Now, I'm going to take my tongue and I'm going to put it inside the frog's mouth. You see? And that is how you make a paper plate frog.